My name is Prathit W, and I will be going over serotonin transduction. Serotonin transduction begins with synthesis, with tryptophan, which then goes to tryptophan hydroxylase, which undergoes hydroxylation, then becoming 5-hydroxytryptophan, or 5-HTP. This then goes to aromatic L-acid decarboxylase, which decarboxylates the 5-HTP and becomes 5-HT, or serotonin, then going to transduction. In transduction, we begin in the presynaptic terminal, which then goes to the target cell. First, we have a vesicle containing serotonin, which then merges with the bilayer and releases serotonin into the extracellular space. This then binds with various receptors, and after it binds, it unbinds and then is reclaimed by the presynaptic terminal for later use, though there is a loss sometimes, which is why you need to synthesize serotonin. In transduction, there are 7 different families of serotonin receptors with 14 different subcategories. One family, 5-HT3, only has one subcategory of the 14, and it is the only one that is a ligand-gated ion channel. The rest are G proteins, and 5-HT5 and 5-HT1 go through the G protein to adenylyl cyclase, inhibiting CAMP production. 5-HT1 goes to PLC, which releases secondary messengers and affects cellular function regulation, which then affects anxiety, sleep, mood, and depression. 5-HT2 also goes to a G protein affecting PLC, or also known as phospholipase, and this pathway then causes excitatory signals, which release a higher concentration of Ca+, shown through the ion channels, and it affects memory, appetite, mood, and sleep. 5-HT3 is a ligand-gated ion channel, which causes sodium to come into the cell and potassium to exit the cell, leading to a ion potential. 5-HT4, 6, and 7 go to G proteins, which increase CAMP production, then going to protein kinase A, releasing secondary messengers leading to a response. 5-HT4 affects gastrointestinal movement, mood, and cognition. 5-HTP6 affects neurotransmitter regulation and cognition, and 5-HTP7 affects sleep through circadian rhythm, memory, learning, pain, and thermoregulation. 5-HT1 and 5-HT2 also release secondary messengers leading to gene expression. The end.